So for this question, we are expected to simplify the following expression. Okay, so what we need to do is to try to cancel out common factors between the numerator and denominator. All right, so this will ensure that we leave our fraction in the simplest form. So leaving a fraction in the simplest form means that, we have to cancel out common factors between the numerator and denominator. So let's look at what kind of common factors are there. So let's observe carefully. Now, if you look at, so 8 and 12, so let's see if I just pull up, like this section here, 8 over 12, I can see that, 8 over 12, right? They actually have factors in common. So to make this in the simplest form, we probably will need to divide by 4. All right, so that gives us a 2. Divide by 4, that gives us a 3, right? And now the next portion, let's look at x. Now we look for, the same term like x power 5, x power 3. Now x power 5, x power 3, this is like, x multiplied by x, multiplied by x, multiplied by x, multiplied by x. And the denominator is also basically x power 3 is like x multiplied by x, multiplied by x. Okay, so if you want to simplify this again, the common factors you can cancel off are 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. All right, and if you cancel off x, 3x's or x power 3 from both top and bottom, what you're doing is you're like dividing by x power 3 and dividing by x power 3 on both top and bottom. That gives you x power 2. Okay, you're left with this one. And the denominator is not 0, the denominator will just become 1. Okay, now the third portion here, y power 4. So y at the top and y power 4 at the bottom is like y 2, 3, 4. You can see that if I cancel, basically what I'm doing is I'm dividing by y, both top and bottom. And I cancel both top and bottom. Now I'm left with a 1 at the top and y cubed at the bottom. So I'm left with like a 1 over y cubed. Okay? So you can see that I broke up my fraction into like 3 parts. The numerical part, the part with x, the part with y. Now, if I were to just look at them, 1, 2, 3, you can see that my answer is just 2 over 3, like so-called multiplied by x squared over 1, multiplied by 1 over y cubed. And in fractions, when we multiply, right, you don't have to worry about creating the common denominator. That's only for addition. Right? For multiplication, you don't need. So 2x squared 1, this just gives you 2x squared. In the denominator, 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by y cubed, that just gives you a 3y cubed. Okay, and this is your answer for part A. All right, so we look at the right hand side. Again, we want to simplify this fraction. Okay, so again, I'm just going to break it up into two few sections. This is the part where I see potentially I can simplify. X squared, I can see potentially I can simplify this as well. Y cubed has no friends, so there's nothing at the numerator to simplify. And x minus y power 3, I can see that there's something I can simplify here. So if I look at 9 over 27, so I will look at 9 over 27, right? You can see that if I divide by 9, both top and bottom, I can get a 1 at the top, I can get a 3 at the bottom. All right. So if I look at x power 4 and x power 2, all right, I can see that I can divide by x power 2 both top and bottom. All right, so x power 4 divided by x power 2 give me x power 2. X power 2 divided by x power 2, I get a 1. Okay. Now x minus y power 3 top and bottom, you can see that I can divide by x minus y power 1, divide by x minus y power 1 top and bottom. So this will give me a 1. This will give me like x minus y power 2. So with that, combining these 3 sections, let me use red color, 1, 2, 3. My answer turns out to be 1/3. I just combine square over 1, x minus y square over 1. And my answer is x squared, x minus y squared. And my denominator, you can see, is 3 times 1 times 1, right? So that gives you 3. Okay, and that is my answer. Okay, so that's all for this question. Thank you.